Hello, good afternoon. This is from Shamels again. This is another first. This is a bedside cabinet. This is made of Nara, but it has tile-like texture po. That nagaglide lang ho yan. Parang same ho siya ng texture ng mga sasakyan. As you can see, gloss ho yan siya. Ito yung nakikita ninyo na mga binabuff ho nila. Polish ho nila. So, tayo pakita mo, yung loob ng drawer ho, ipaki-open, leather ho ang loob niyan. Para mas malinis ho yung dating. So, as you can see, ito yung binabuff nila ng ilang beses po sa video. So, yung tela talaga mag-glide lang. This was made especially for the request ng client na maging water resistant yung bedside cabinet at the same time pang long term, pang lifeline. So this is made of Nara, but it has a very smooth texture, glossy texture. So, dalawa ho ito. Dalawa. So yan, para mas klaro ho, sa mas malayo yung gloss niya po. So, this is another first from Shamels na made of Nara but the texture, gliding, parang tiles, and parang sa sasakyan. So, yun po. Thank you for patronizing us and hopefully this would make you very, very happy. Sige po.